I'm about to eat a fruit that you probably haven't eaten before because it's not one that you'll find in a grocery store. If you'll remember, I made a video about my beautiful Turks Cap plants in my perennial garden, and the Turks Cap has this beautiful red flower, but it also makes these cool red fruits. You can see that I forgot to harvest these ones and they are overripe, but we still have some ripe ones, so let me grab a handful of these. I do still have some green ones that have not yet ripened too, so these started developing a few weeks ago. They always come in the fall, and you'll get several weeks of fruits out of them. All right, so here we go. I've got 10 of them here. You can see they're not all that big. They do have some big seeds inside of them, so be careful when you bite them, but let's get to it. So, I've still got some spaghetti sauce on my mouth. I'm always eating, but they taste like apples to me, like a really sweet apple. You just got to kind of work around those seeds, and then I spit the seeds out. I'm sure you could swallow them and be fine too, but I always spit them out. So here are the seeds from those two little fruits. So there are 4 seeds in each fruit. I just kind of took the pulp off of them. You could dry these out now, or you could take one of these overripe ones and take the seeds out of that and dry them out. If you wanted to plant some more Turks Cap, you could do them that way. Anyway, fun little snack when you're out in the garden, and a beautiful and awesome perennial. So happy snacking.